Hey, what's up guys? Coach Austin here, and today I'm going to walk you through the proper technique for the lat pull-down machine. To properly set yourself up for this machine, we're going to first start with the thigh pad. So as you sit down into the seat, we want to be sure to adjust this thigh pad down and be sure that fits securely onto our thighs, nice and snug, so we're secure throughout our reps. Next, we want to adjust the height of the handles. So as we stand up and adjust the height of the handles, we want to be sure that those handles are within reach, but also allow a complete and full stretch through that range of motion. So as we sit down, we're able to grab those handles as we sit. So once you've properly fit your structure to the machine, you've loaded on the weight, we can now perform our set. So as you sit down, we'll grab the handles. Be sure the thigh pad is nice and secure to our thighs. Have a slight lean back from our hips and our torso. And then we're just going to pull the handles straight down, thinking about driving our elbows down to our pockets or our hips. Once we're at the bottom, we can resist the motion back up to the top, ensuring that we control our reps throughout the entirety of the range of motion.